Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud isn't working. For the headphones, Creative Sensemore Air. Firstly, put your headphones to the charging case and then remove it. Now, if it doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. We have a few options how to do a hard reset. The first one is to use an application, so just open it. Now go to the settings and right here click a reset device. Or we have a second option is to put your headphones to the charging case and after that press and hold both buttons on your headphones for at least 5 seconds. You can hear that it's reset to factory settings. Yeah, I just hear it. So click on the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Now remove the headphones from the charging case and click here to edit. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!